What to text a guy to make him smile. 50 plus cute text examples to make him miss you. If you want to know what to text a guy to make him smile, then we have compiled some of the best collection of cute text messages for you that will make him smile and make him miss you. It is one of the best feelings when your guy smiles like an idiot looking at his phone when you text him something cute or funny. Even though you know very well what makes your guy happy, there are some tried and tested ways that can make him smile. I see so many men looking at their phones and smiling just because their loved ones have sent them something cute. Men rarely show any emotion when they look at their phones, unless their friend has sent something inappropriate. Women always wait for the man to make the first move, crack jokes, and ask questions. When it comes to conversation, communication is always two-sided. Your goal during texting is to keep him interested and attracted towards you. And making him laugh is the best way to attract him. So you will always need some lines handy that you can use to make him smile. So what are the best text messages that you can use to make him smile and miss you? If you really want to know what to text a guy to make him laugh, then you will need to send texts that will make him respond. I have put together some of the best collection of cute and sweet texts for him that you can use to make him smile and miss you. Remember not to send all of them at once. Analyse the situation, make your own changes and send him these texts. I'm sure he will love it. Cute text messages to make him smile and miss you more. There is no one in this world who can make me smile as much as you do. I smile like an idiot just thinking about you. I'm the luckiest girl in the world to be loved by you. I just wish I could be wrapped in your arms right now. There is no one in the world who will love you as much as I do. I still can't believe how I got so lucky. If there is one person who can still give me butterflies in my stomach, it is you. It's so hard to think about my life without you in it. I want to be with you beyond forever and after. I feel at home when I'm in your arms. All of my friends wish for a man like you. Come home early and you can kiss me anywhere you want. Did you know that a kiss can burn 6 calories a minute? Wanna work out? You are just one person to the whole world, but that one person is the whole world for me. Missing you has become my hobby. I love you like I love pizza. Shall I eat you? My bed is too big for just one person. Will you join me? I'm so glad that you came into my life. Where is the smartest man in the world when I need him? Shall we call in sick today and cuddle for the whole day? I blush even just thinking about you. Can you please deliver a hot man to my home tonight? I'm missing you a lot. You are the one person who understands me more than anyone. Schedule an urgent meeting for our lips, ASAP. Today was the best day of my life. I wish every day was like that. Hey there, sexy. Just thinking about you makes my day. I wish we could be cuddling right now. They say nothing is perfect, they haven't met you yet. I can't even imagine what I would be without you. I'm so thankful that you are in my life every day. I can't wait to kiss you tonight. I wish to wake up by your side every day of my life. I hope your day is as perfect as my butt. I didn't know what missing someone was until I met you. I just wish for you to grab me by my waist and pull me closer. There aren't enough words to express how much I love you and miss you. My heart skipped a beat just thinking about you. I wish you were here right now. Just thinking of you turned my bad days into better. No one has ever made me feel special the way you do. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me. I will do anything to make you smile. Something is weird. I'm not able to change my clothes. Can you please come home soon and help me? I dare you to Netflix and chill with me tonight. Actually, I'll double dare. You are the whole world for me. You are such a fine thief. You stole my heart, and I didn't even realise. Can you make me stop thinking about you? I'm busy. I'm planning to take a hot and handsome man for dinner tonight. Do you know anyone? Don't hold me responsible for what happens next if you kiss me. Why do I smile like an idiot whenever I see a text from you? Sunday is cuddle day. Wanna join me? Sending you a list of people who don't think you're hot. Empty list. Why am I having dirty thoughts whenever you come into my mind? Can you guess what I'm thinking? Let me give you a hint. It involves me and you naked. If you have any more ideas on what to text a guy to make him smile, then let us know in the comments below. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video to let me know what you would like to see next and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.